Okay, so today we're here to show how we take any pressure washer. This is a hot skid unit and convert it post-market into a two-step pressure washer. A lot of folks call us from around the country. They want to get away from brushing. They want to go to the two-step soap method. However, they have their equipment already purchased, and it's usually good equipment, but they want to be able to two-step. So today what we're going to show you is how we can take any pressure washer and convert it to a two-step washer. Let's go inside for a closer look. So this is our Pro Control remote system. We're using solenoids connected to a receiver that's controlled by a transmitter. Transmitter will talk to the receiver, which opens and closes the solenoids on the soap lines, which are both connected to a single line run into the injector. As you can see here, we've actually have adjustable chemical metering valves so that we can control the number 1 soap and the number 2 soap draw independently of each other, even though they're going to the same injector. So if you want your number 1 soap to be drawing stronger or weaker than your number 2, this is how we can do that. What we put in line, a lot of times when we're doing this, we're doing it with downstream injections. Most of the way the pressure washers are operated in the field for soap. What we've done is actually put in a quick connect system into the chemical line going to the pressure washer, where we also have a chemical metering kit, which includes this flow meter. As you can see by the flow meter, we can quickly couple it in line before we're ready to wash. We'd actually run the pressure washer on each soap, and that will float this little ball in here and tell us exactly what our chemical soap draw is. For our customers, we convert it to a chart right here. Because this unit is by gallons per hour and a pressure washer is by gallons per minute, we have a quick reference chart so that the operator can quickly see whatever is on the flow meter is exactly what the dilution ratio comes out to be here. So within a minute or less, we'll actually be able to meter your soap draw precisely to know exactly what you're doing. For a couple reasons, that's a benefit. Number one, as your equipment wears, your nozzles wear, your injectors wear, you're going to have a change in your soap draw. That change in soap draw actually will affect your consistency in the field, your quality wash in the field. So by doing this before you wash each day, you're actually able to control your consistency and your quality of your washing. Another reason why this is a benefit is perhaps you have some fleets that you're washing once every week. You have other fleets that are very dirty that maybe you're only getting to wash once every month. By having this kit right here, you will actually be able to document which setting is the right setting for each fleet. And before you go to that fleet, you can quick pop in your flow meter, you can quick adjust your soap draw, and you can dial it in right to the exact dilution that you know works for that fleet. That'll allow you to save soap on the fleets you don't need it, and allows you to use the soap a little stronger for more production and efficiency on the fleets that you do. And as your soap equipment wears, you'll be able to compensate by changing your soap draw so that as it weakens, if your injector is weakening, you actually open up this a little bit more to compensate, and you get more life out of those parts as they're wearing.